అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. Congratulations, CREDAI Hyderabad. Once again, you proved you are the best in conducting the property show. I can proudly say that across the country, this property show is going to the best in the country, I can say. So they have been once again proved that by looking at the stalls, the way in which they have decorated, widely spread. So once again, congratulations to you. Great efforts by the CYW. I think this time entire show is youth only. Congratulations to you, entire youth wing. So ప్రశాంత్ రెడ్డి గారి గురించి ఆల్రెడీ మన మిత్రుడు రామచంద్ర రెడ్డి గారు చెప్పారు. I wanted to add little more to that. So indirectly he helped so much to our builders fraternity, because I know I have been interacting with regularly. During pandemic, every time we used to have a discussion, we had long meetings how to migrant workers గురించి కానీ, ఈవెన్ మన రాష్ట్రం నుంచి వేరే రాష్ట్రాలకు పోయిన వర్కర్స్ గురించి కానీ, వేరే రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి మనకు వచ్చిన వర్కర్స్ గురించి కానీ, వేరే దేశాల నుంచి మన వర్కర్స్ గురించి కానీ. సో హీ హాస్ కండక్టెడ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6 మీటింగ్స్ విత్ ఆల్ ద డెవలపర్స్, ఆల్ ది అసోసియేషన్స్, and he has taken lot of initiative in resolving the issues. And whenever the problem is taken to him, serious problems, he has immediately was talking to the CM, and the problems have been resolved. I don't want to go into the details, but lot of support is there from his side. I've been practically witnessing. Even during Dharani also, he supported us a lot. So thank you so much on behalf of CREDAI Telangana. Entire andaram meeku runapadi unnamani cheptunnamu. So thank you so much. We expect the same support from you in future also. So already CREDAI Hyderabad is booming, and Rashtam Desham Mottamlo ekkada chusukunna gaani the real estate in Hyderabad or Telangana, nowhere in the country. So I am proudly say that, because I being a national vice president, I come across all the cities across the country. So the real estate, the best in the best real estate is means only in Hyderabad and Telangana. So only concern is recently there's some developers who are underselling, pre-sales, certain things are happening. I request the buyers to be little careful about that. Look at the profile of the developer. You please get not cheated with the developers. Please check the developers profile and all, then you can invest, because your hard-earned money should not go waste. That is I'm just cautioning the whoever is putting their hard-earned money, before taking a decision, please look at the property, look at the developers and all, take a proper decision, so that you will not be cheated at later dates. So I think already CREDAI Hyderabad has worked a lot on this through various forums. I appreciate CREDAI Hyderabad for putting their best efforts. So also, this is the best property, the right time to invest. Every time we talk about that, even today also, the properties values will go up. I request everyone to use this opportunity, come forward. There is a huge properties, are 15,000 properties are there across various developers. Every property is a beautiful property. So please, it's the right time to invest. Come invest and have your own property. Anyway, thank you CREDAI Hyderabad for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.